Hello everyone, this is Dimitri again. Today I'm gonna show you the process of sharpening the knives on the TMR mixer, as you see right now on the background, and how you do it with the help of what, and just the process. So be careful, look sharply, and be safe. Remember to keep the key of the tractor right in your pocket, because this is dangerous, and also wearing this helps a lot, I think. So keep your eye on the knives and be careful. So I want to show you this tool. This tool I use to make the precise type of a sharp edge, so I can use it while I'm sharpening the knife. So I put it this way and look at the gap between the knife and this tool. So that way I know when it's time to sharpen the knife, and when I really get our fuel be sucked for nothing. So these are the marks that show me that. This is one of the factories that make the knives, and they propose to check the shape of the knife each, I think, 15 days. So that's how you better to do it. So this knife I'm almost done. You can see that checking every knife will give you the results that should be. As I understood that it's better. The point is to start sharpening the knife from the top, not from the edge, but from the top place, like this. So this is the top heel, and you have to make this heel to be flat, and go down to the edge, straight to the edge. So you can see by the scratches that this tool leaves. So how the scratches go down, and they have to be straight. If they go in the rainbow mode, it doesn't work. So it have to be straight lines. Okay, so look how it's done, and try to do it the same way. Okay, I think it's sharp enough, and I have, as you can mention, plenty more to go. So hope you'll do it in a good way. It's not the best work on the farm. Still, it have to be done to be efficient, to be more fuel efficient, and time efficient, because when the knives are not sharpened, the cutting can take from 30 minutes to 40. We cut 2 bales at a time, so we put 1 bale, and in some time, like waiting 10 to 7 minutes, I put another one. Just bales, not the shredded ones, not the silage. As you can mention, I have a tear from my eye, because it's just a hard job. It's or I don't know, maybe wind. So sharpening knives is essential for the quality of food. So the cuttings of the halage gonna be as it's supposed to be, like 5-7 centimeters. So I finished all the knives. I made look at this. The grinder is beaten till the end. So it took me like 40 minutes for the whole TMR mixer. And when you work with the sharp knives, you usually have to hear the sound like you cutting the cabbages. So it have to be this sound. You have to hear it, because otherwise, if you don't hear it, check the sharpness of the knives, and you'll see that you have to sharpen them. Otherwise, you spend fuel for nothing. So, and peace out.